Stellantis is set to make a significant statement at the upcoming Los Angeles Auto Show with a dynamic multi-brand showcase that places sustainability at the forefront of its presentation, reflecting the automaker's commitment to achieving carbon net zero by 2038. Featuring its extensive portfolio of 14 global brands, including Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, Ram, Peugeot, Fiat, and Maserati, Stellantis will unveil an array of electric and hybrid vehicles designed to meet the evolving demands of eco-conscious consumers. Central to the showcase will be the debut of cutting-edge models such as the all-electric Jeep Recon, a rugged, adventure-ready SUV, and the Ram 1500 RF, which combines the iconic capabilities of Ram trucks with zero-emission technology, signaling the company's leadership in electrifying traditionally fuel-intensive vehicle segments. Visitors will also witness innovations from Fiat, highlighting its accessible urban EVs, and Maserati's Gran Turismo Folgore, an all-electric luxury sports car epitomizing performance and sustainability. Complementing these vehicle debuts, Stellantis will emphasize its holistic approach to sustainability through advanced battery technologies, including the integration of solid-state batteries, promising improved range, faster charging, and reduced environmental impact. The exhibit will spotlight the automaker's investment in circular economy initiatives, such as vehicle recycling programs and sustainable material usage, underscoring a commitment to reducing waste and extending the life cycle of its products. Attendees can also explore the automaker's vision for connected mobility, with demonstrations of software-driven solutions aimed at enhancing vehicle efficiency, driver convenience, and energy optimization. Stellantis will highlight its efforts to democratize sustainable transportation, featuring affordable EV options tailored to urban and developing markets, ensuring inclusivity in the transition to clean energy vehicles. Panel discussions and keynote addresses by Stellantis executives will delve into the company's strategy to align profitability with sustainability, detailing investments in renewable energy, global EV production facilities, and partnerships aimed at advancing clean energy infrastructure, such as expanding fast-charging networks to support widespread EV adoption. The showcase will also provide immersive experiences, allowing visitors to test drive electric models and interact with augmented reality displays that illustrate Stellantis' roadmap for carbon neutrality. These interactive elements aim to educate the public about the transformative potential of electric mobility and its role in combating climate change. By blending its heritage of performance, design, and innovation with a forward-looking commitment to sustainability, Stellantis intends to set a new benchmark for automakers navigating the industry's transition to electrification.